Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
All right, last Thursday of the month. So we have our RBSG Collab, that is the Random Beauty Support Group. And this month was Tammy's month, and her word is assume. Her directions are, I want you to do a makeup look that people assume you wear when you say you have a YouTube channel. So I thought about it and I asked some of the moms in the pickup line at school. I asked them what they would assume that I would do as far as a makeup look. And there were kind of two thought processes on this subject. One thought process was the full beat, full glamour, Kim Kardashian kind of vibe, highly contoured, not a speck of skin showing kind of look. And then there was the clean girl look, which they have all over TikTok. Now, I have attempted like a Kim K kind of look before, and I do, I guess, what would be considered a full beat on a regular basis on my channel. So my thought was, let's try something new. So we are going to go with the clean girl aesthetic, the no makeup look, and I feel like it's a lots of makeup without looking like you're wearing makeup kind of thing. So we're going to attempt that. Now, I've never really attempted it because I have a problem with going overboard, just a little maybe. So I've never really tried to do a look like this. So we're just gonna see what we can do with it, okay? So I figure we'll start out with the Hollywood Flawless Filter and kind of run that all over the place because we want to be glowy and hoey. Sorry.
So I guess I'll drink instead.
Oh, wow. All right.
I am in a crash course and I don't know what I'm doing and I don't remember anything.
So I'm just going to kind of fast forward through as much of this as possible so that you have a chance to see the full look, but, not be stuck here for ages, because this might take a minute, because I don't know what I'm doing. So enjoy the fast forward parts. We're gonna spot conceal with the Joa Perfect Complexion Eye Serum Concealer. We're just gonna kind of put it over the darker spots that I have problems with and some of the redder spots, because I am going to be using a very sheer formula as far as foundation.
Don't know how to help it, and I wish that I could stop it, but I can't, and I'm completely soaked. I'm too drunk to write these songs.
I am not, however, going to be using much for like a eyeshadow look, because we're going clean girl.
Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before you disappear. This is the last thing that I'll do. Chain smoking 6 till I turn blue. My heart is in a tantrum and I can't control my breathing, and I just want things to renew.
Alright, I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick in Suede.
Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear. I'll be gone before you disappear.
Alright, then we're gonna use this Moon Slice blush here.
You know, I wish that I was dead, so I guess I'll drink and stay. I am in a crash course and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't remember anything I said. You know, I wish that I could stop, but here I am, I'm about to drive. Don't wanna hurt your feelings and I don't know what I'm
Alright, then we're gonna take this Ice Cream highlighter. I don't remember the brand.
Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry that it ended.
I'm gonna take a little bit of this on a brush.
I'll be gone before you disappear.
Kind of add just a little tiny bit of color to the eyelid.
Nothing keeping me afloat. My lungs are filling up with smoke.
Not enough where it really looks like you have anything on. Enough to just kind of give it a little tiny bit of dimension.
I'm too drunk to write these songs. I'm too broken and all alone. Don't wanna hurt you.
I'm going to take a little bit of this on my pinky. Put it on the mobile lid. So it's got a little bit of a shine. Not so much there where people are going to be like, oh, your eyeshadow. Just enough to kind of maybe look a little naturally put together. Say, more so than with a bare face. But not enough where people are like, oh, makeup. Because we're supposed to look like we're not really wearing any makeup.
This is the last thing that I'll do.
Basically, it's like a kiss. A little tiny kiss. Alright, then we're going to take this ABH Clear Brow Gel. We're going to kind of run it backwards through the brows so we can get it all incorporated into the brows. We're going to take this spoolie and we're going to brush them straight up, because what's more convincing that you're not wearing any makeup than a nice stiff feathery brow. We're going to brush those little brush strokes out of the foundation there, because, you know, we don't want it to head giveaways. So straight up. Then we're going to take this brow perfectionist brow pen, ultra fine tip from Melt, and we're just going to kind of try to put in some extra little strokes in there, make it look like we got a little bit more of a brow than we do.
Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself.
Okay, we're gonna move the brows just up a little bit. I'm going to take this brown eyeliner pen. We're going to run it along the tight line. Give our eye a little bit of definition.
There's nothing keeping me afloat.
We didn't want to go with black because black is very stark, but brown, I mean, that's the same color as my eyelashes, so it kind of just makes them look like there's more definition in the eyelash there. So we can do that. And then I'm going to take this nude colored ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Honey Dude. And then I'm going to run it right here along the waterline. And it's not stark, but it takes away a little bit of that pinkness under the eye and just kind of makes it brighter without making it look too much like you're wearing a bunch of makeup. Because, you know, it's nude, it's just skin color, right? Well, not everybody's skin color, but... So I'm going to take this Milani Highly Rated Anti-Gravity Mascara, and I'm going to apply some. Now, according to this clean girl aesthetic, you can look like you're wearing mascara, but not too much else. You're supposed to naturally just kind of be dewy and all the things that most people are just kind of not without a little bit of help. Alright, I'm going to take this spoolie here. See if I can separate my lashes just a little bit. Alright, and then I'm going to take this brown eyeliner and kind of smudge it up here a little bit so we can look a little bit more like we have a little bit more depth in our eyes. Alright, and then I'm going to take this brush here and I'm going to kind of pull my eyelid a little bit tighter and try to smudge this out so that it just looks like more of a natural eye contour than makeup. Alright, now we're going to take this lip liner from Melt in Cashmere. Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear. I want something just a little bit more pinky. There's nothing keeping me afloat. My lungs are filling up with smoke. Don't know how to help it, and I wish that I could stop it, but you know I can't, and I'm completely soaked. Getting a little bit of orange. I'm too drunk to write these songs. I'm too broken and all alone. Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna wipe most of that off because we can't be looking like we're wearing like real lipstick or anything. And I'm gonna take this lip oil from Amped in Cake. It smells like cake. We're gonna put it over. Make a real glossy look. And this is Plumping Lip Gloss. So that's, I am not really sure where that stopped recording. But we did put this lip gloss on from Amped. I got it out of the Eyescream Beauty Box. And apparently it is a plumping lip gloss. So we're going to hurry up and do the rest of this look. So make sure I get that off. Now we're going to take this Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. We're going to douse our face with it. And I'm going to kind of pounce it. Alright, and then we're going to take this Coola Makeup Setting Spray. It's got sunscreen in it, and it kind of burns your eyes like mace, so do not open your eyes when you're spraying this. But it kind of provides this extra little bit of sheen that I want to have on my face right now, so we're going to put it on there. We're gonna let it dry before we open our eyeballs, because again, it's like mace. But it is also quite a bit like putting hairspray on your face. It locks everything in. Nothing's getting out or in. Alright, so this is my no makeup look. The clean girl aesthetic, if you will. Now, I actually kind of like this for like an everyday look. However, I mean, it took quite a bit of work to look like I'm not really wearing makeup. So, and I really feel like I need some blush in my life. So, this is my final look for Tammy's week, using the word assume. And the instructions were to create a look that people would assume you would do when they find out that you have a beauty channel. So, did I accomplish my no makeup look? Do I look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup? Do I look like I'm wearing a little makeup? Did I fail completely? Do I just look like cake face? You be the decision maker. Alright, I need to go wipe this off my lips because it is burning and I don't want any hives. So, the playlist is down in the description box. We have a full card this year and I'm so excited. Renee has tapped me to help her going forward with the RBSG collab, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, go check everyone out. There are some amazing people in this group. We got some real good ones this season. So go check everyone out and stay tuned. Every month we do this. Last Thursday of the month. So keep an eye out for everybody's videos. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
I just want things to renew. Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat. Out in open waters, trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.